my name is Mehmet and Ozyoldas, and I am going to present my work for you in IDI Ergonomic course. During the project, I started with ideation sketches, and I wanted to create some kind of unique screwdriver which can be inclusive, also have like a strong brand identity and strong identity of itself. So in here you can see my dodging and ideation sketches. And then my main question when I was doing my mockups is how different form and shape can affect semiotics and ergonomics relationship. In here you can see my mockups, and for example this was the starting point for me where I take real life wasted screwdriver and did like a weight testing and my initial thoughts on it. Uh, After initial mockup, I realized this was the direction I wanted to focus on. For this idea, in after my user test also, as you can see, okay, this idea was liked, but there were some problems for me. People use this screwdriver different than me because I usually use it in this way, and it really works for me to increase it because I don't need to use all my fingers. And and I realized since I have really big hands, I did a huge the big size, and then when I tried to different sizes, I realized this ideation and concept works really well for both the power gripping and both the per size, and it works so well for different posture. So after that, I move on to do different ideation. For example, I try my concept in different scale. One of my most important finding that you need to add like some kind of space in here, because if it's a cut too early, it's not really uncomfortable. Also, stage back was really unergonomical for me. So having curvature in here works really well. As you can see in this two example, having like additional piece in here also after this form increase ergonomics really well. In here I tested interesting idea. So the idea is like what there is like additional pieces in the back that can use the per size power, but then I realized it didn't work very well overall. In here I tried different scale to understand dynamic relationship in the power grip and per size grip. For example, one of my interesting finding again, flat surface is really bad. Having this kind of like a really sharp chunk will also reduce down the ergonomically drastically. So I abandoned those ideas and I moved to add the clay pieces on the model and make here like a more smooth surface which works fits better on my hands. In here, and you can see some of the unsuccessful results, and I will talk more about them in tutorial session. Thank you.